pork xiaolongbao, orange chicken, fish fillet with black bean sauce, dumplings, pan-fried mantaw. Ito yung order namin when we went to Modern Shang. Very cozy and relaxing ang ambience and affordable lang nasa menu. They will give you pa nga complimentary drinks and snack like itong tea and then yung cropek. Affordable dito kasi meron silang good for 3 to 4 sharing which is bistro to share for only 1,398 pesos. Nag-additional lang kami kasi gusto ko tikman yung ibang nasa menu. Sa BTS promo nila, you'll get to have pancit, dumplings, egg fried rice, orange chicken, and itong fish fillet. Additional na lang itong pan-fried mantaw, and itong xiaolongbao. In fairness, sa xiaolongbao, very juicy and flavorful ang lasa. Seasoned well talaga, lalo na yung meat niya. You really paid for the quality of the food. For orange chicken, of course, this is kind of sweet and slightly citrusy. I paired this with egg fried rice kasi masaucy siya for me. Itong pancit naman ay generous sa toppings, masaucy siya. Masarap siya kasi pati yung anak ko nakailang request ng pancit eh. Ang dumplings naman ay masarap din. Lasa mo yung umami flavor. Tapos napaka-perfect ito kung may chili oil pa. We're a family of 6 pero dahil sa dami ng servings ay nakapag-takeout pa nga kami. Yun lang. Follow for more food vlogs. Thanks for watching. Bye!